Kb of hydroxide, if you recall, is 55. Kb of water is 1.8 times 10 to the negative 6. So let's look at your basicity scale here. The most basic species in water is hydroxide. Kb is 55. So this is the most basic. And the most acidic is H2O. I mean, not H2O. The most acidic is H3O plus, right? And Ka of H3O plus is 55. Conjugate base of H3O plus is H2O. Conjugate of hydroxide is water. Okay, Kb is 55. How does the Kb of nitrate compare to hydroxide and water? Nitrate, where will I find this? Am I going to find it here, here, or here? The Kb of nitrate. So this is 1.8 times 10 to the negative 16 right here. So A is much weaker than water. Okay, B is a weak base. Right? Over C here, higher than 55 would be a strong base, right? Where would you find nitrate on this scale? A, B, or C? Okay. Nitrate would be, do you remember nitrate? It's a conjugate of what? HNO3. What do you know about HNO3? One of the strong acids. So where would HNO3 be on this scale? More acidic than H3O plus, right? HNO3 right here would be more acidic than hydronium. So where would nitrate be? Nitrate is not even going to be a base in water, right? Conjugates of strong acids are not going to hydrolyze. They're not going to react with water to give you hydroxide because they're very, very, very weak. Okay? So here you have increasing acid strength over here. More acidic that way. Going down this way, you're becoming more basic, the conjugate base. Okay, how about, so the answer to that, nitrate's going to be in section A, right here. How about bicarbonate, HCO3 minus? Where would you find it, A, B, or C? Right in the middle. Okay. Let's see. Let me make a better summary, a better picture here. Okay, so you have your acid strength. Yeah? You have stronger acid. The strongest in water is what? Hydronium. Okay. And the weakest acid in water is H2O. Okay. So you have here your strong acid. Here you have your weak acid. Okay. Here you have your non-acid. Right? Conjugate base would be what? Conjugate base of water is hydroxide. And the conjugate base of hydronium is H2O. So going this way, you have stronger base, right? So here you have your strong base. Right? Here you have your weak base. And this is your non-base. Non-basic. Okay? So where would oxide fall in this scale? Oxide. Oxygen with 2 negative. Where would you find that? Are you going to find that in A, B, or C? Where would you find oxide on this scale? Hydroxide, we just talked about that earlier, is stronger than hydroxide. So you don't get any hydroxide. You don't get any oxides in water, right? So oxide is going to fall over here. Stronger than hydroxide. Okay, hydroxide is the strongest base that can exist in water. So if I told you I put potassium oxide in water, what would happen to it? Your oxide will immediately pick up protons from water. It will give you potassium hydroxide. Okay, so this is your balance equation. Metal oxide plus water gives you metal hydroxide. Okay, and that's it.